motivation is something that can get you started. But if you really want to succeed in life, what you must have is consistency. Consistency in doing small things which can give you large results. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati Arora, famously known as Mind Coach Swati. And today we are talking about yet another interesting topic, which is consistency. How to be consistent in life in whatever you want to do to achieve whatever you want to achieve. That is what we're going to talk about today. As we know, motivation is something that can get you started. But if you really want to succeed in life, what you must have is consistency. Consistency in doing small things which can give you large results. And that is exactly how I'm going to talk about today. What I'm going to talk about today, which is how you can be consistent in your life, in whatever you do. Now, why am I talking about it? Let me give you a little background about it. I'm talking about it because I am famously, or rather infamously, known in my community as Miss Consistency. They have seen me consistently posting my videos, my podcasts, my articles, my blogs, my posts, etc. on a day-on-day, week-on-week, month-on-month, year-on-year basis. And that is what they have seen me being consistent. I'm going to share with you in this video how I managed to be consistent, my secret mantra or my secrets of being consistent in whatever you do in your life. And I hope this video will be really helpful for you, because if you are someone who's struggling with consistency, this video is something that you must watch and take notes as well, because every single point will really help you become consistent in your life right from today. Alright, so let's get started. Before we go ahead, you know the drill. Click on the subscribe button if you already haven't done that, and click on the bell icon so that you can get access to all my videos right up front. So let's get started. So the first mantra which keeps me consistent is knowing your why. Now for me, knowing your bigger purpose, your bigger vision or your bigger mission is what is very important in life. For me personally, if you ask me, there is definitely a larger vision, much larger than me or anything else that I'm doing right now. I am on a mission to help 100,000 women achieve financial success, attain a life of their dreams, live independently and freely, and that is exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing. Obviously, I have my own vision and my own mission as well. I have my own vision for my children, for my children's education, to give them a better life, to lead a successful life and travel the world, etc. We all have that, but they are all materialistic visions or missions for ourselves. What is the bigger why in your life? Why are you doing what you're doing? You need to really identify that. When I see any person being helped by me and growing every single day, particularly in my community or anything, it gives me immense pleasure and immense joy, much more happiness than the amount sitting in my bank account. Every time I get a blessing or an appreciation or a comment from someone for the help that I have done for them, it's much more than any BMW that I would buy. That is what my mission or my vision is. That's the why of my life. So if you are able to find out the why in your life, trust me, being consistent is no challenge at all. So let's look at the why first, then you will be able to know how you can be consistent. The next thing for me which keeps me consistent is my goals. I'm a very goals person, a very to-do list person, a very action-oriented or goal-oriented person. For me, if you ask me, I really can't even start my day without having my to-do list prepared. You know, everything that I'm doing has to have very clear clarity in everything that I do. And that's exactly why I achieve so many things that I want to achieve, because I write down my goals. I write down my goals every single day. I have a goal book for myself, my goal diary. In fact, that's something which I practice in my community as well. I have a community of working professionals which we call Action Takers Hub, and we practice writing our goals every single day, because fundamentally I believe, and it's universally proven, that people who write down their goals every single day, the probability of them achieving it is 99.999%. point. So if you really want to be consistent and successful in everything that you do and achieve all your goals, my friends, I would request you and urge you to keep a goal book for yourself and write down your goals every single day. That will keep you going, that will keep you consistent. Your goals will align you to work. Your goals will get you into action and not let you become complacent or comfortable or sleep around. Your goals will get you moving. That's something which works for me as well. I mean, a lot of times, and I'll be very honest, a lot of times, our inner chatter is something which bothers us. Our inner chatter tells us, oh no, you can't do it. I don't think it's possible for you. It's not done for yourself. I mean, it's not made up for you. I also have some inner chatter like that, but my goals, they give me the direction. They give me the motivation to get up and get going every single day. So goal writing is something I can recommend for each one of you. Start doing that and you'll see you'll get into action very soon. The next thing is, what I do is I measure progress. While I have my goals, but I also have a very methodical way of measuring my progress in anything and everything that I do. That keeps, that when you have a measuring scale for yourself, what were you 1 year back, 1 month back, and where are you right now? That really keeps you moving ahead. That really gives you the motivation to keep going and to actually achieving greater heights. That could be anything. I mean, you can measure progress predominantly for everything. Like I measure progress about my weight, right? Checking my weight on the weighing machine to check if I'm really healthy and fit and fine even when I'm going to the gym. I could measure my progress. I do measure my progress by by sheer bank balance. Have I grown in revenue? Have I grown in income every single month, every single week, every single year? Have I looked at, have I grown in my followers on my various social media channels, the number of posts that are going ahead, the number of registrations that are coming in my community, the number of people who are following me, and the number of people who are coming to me for coaching. That is my measuring scale. That's the way I measure progress every single week, every single month, every single year. That's my internal review mechanism for me, and that is what keeps me consistent. Now let me be very honest. There are times when you will have a lower scale as well, when you will see the progress scale going down, dipping down in a particular month. Maybe the revenues have dipped that particular month, maybe your health has not been really good that particular month, but it's okay. That's also a mechanism which will actually push you ahead, because in this month, if I've earned less revenue, if I've made less in my income, then I know that next month I need to play hard. I need to play harder, and I need to do double the amount of effort that I did last month to be able to keep up to my goal. So that's how measuring my progress really keeps me consistent, really keeps me going, and keeps me motivated as well to really keep doing the things that I'm doing every single day. The next thing for me is, I think, blessings or the gratitude journaling that I do. I mean, gratitude journaling for the last 5-6 years that I've been doing has really transformed me as an individual as well. And the kind of the amount of blessings that I'm now getting after I'm maintaining my gratitude journal, I see that the world is really showering their blessings, their appreciations, their compliments on me. Every single achievement, every single milestone, every single activity that I do, every single morning I receive thousands of blessings, thousands of best wishes from people all across the world. And it's not just for me. I'm sure when you also start to write down your gratitude journal, you will realize that your life has many more blessings which were ignored all these years, which you haven't really stepped down and seen. So this is the time when that's really helped me, and I'm sure it'll help you as well. If you start maintaining a gratitude journal, count your blessings, count how many good things you already have in life, and trust me, the universe will give you 10,000 more other things to be grateful for. That is why I keep doing what I'm doing right now, because I receive so many blessings from people, so much happiness, so many best wishes, that I really want to keep up to it. I don't want to have a single day when I do not receive these blessings, and that's why I keep consistently doing what I'm doing. I mean, for example, the recent TEDx event that I got through, I have received so many appreciations for my TED Talk video, so many blessings, so many best wishes from all across the globe, from all my friends and family, from all of you followers. That is really keeping me grounded. That's really keeping me motivated and consistent to keep doing the best thing that I'm doing right now. And that's something which I would urge you to do as well. Write down a gratitude journal every single day, and you'll see magic happening in your life. And the last but not the least, the secret mantra or the secret sauce of my consistency is the love for what I do. I love what I'm doing. I love everything that I do, and that just doesn't sound like work to me. For example, training and coaching is a passion for me, more than a passion. It's like ikigai for me, right? It's something that I can keep doing for the rest of my life, every single day, every single time, till the time I'm alive. In fact, in the middle of the night, if you wake me up and say, Swati, there's a training session that you need to do, I would do that with a smile on my face. That is the amount of love that I have for the thing that I'm doing. Now, if you were to also find love in what you're doing, whatever work you are into, whatever passion that you're following, do that with the amount of love that you can do it consistently every single day, every single time of your life without getting bored. And that is going to take you to heights of consistency, my friend. Imagine if you were to do something which you don't like doing. Obviously, you will give up very quickly, right? I mean, I would have also given up very quickly if I don't like what I'm doing. The sheer reason why I'm doing this every single day, training people, coaching people, putting up content, putting up information, making people aware, all of those things, because I just simply love doing what I'm doing. So you also find your love, find your passion, find your ikigai, and trust me, life will become absolutely comfortable and consistent. You will automatically, consistently do things what you really love doing and what you really want to do. So those were my secret mantras, my secrets of how I managed to be consistent in my life. I hope this video was beneficial to you, my friends, and I hope you can also adapt some of these secret sauces or secret recipe in your regular routine to become consistent in your life. Let me know in the comments how you like the video and which of the secrets are you going to follow. I'll be waiting for your comments. Take care. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.